Welcome to Mehta Abacus. This session's video will help you to learn for the second level students, and even third level students also can revise this because it is going to cover all plus formulas. So first we'll have a 1 to 4 formulas. 1 to 4 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 and plus 4 students. Okay, so these to do this all, only their friend is different, so we can generalize these four number in one particular way we have to follow to perform this plus, because only changing the friends part, rest everything is same. So the first, always look for direct. Second thing, if no direct, suppose now I did 1 2, can I do now 2 again? No. Then what to do? So in that moment, if 5, see this one is 5, same rod, we are looking at the same rod. 5 is available, then you need to follow small formula. That is we call as small formulas, small friend formulas. And then third is, if no 5, suppose now 6 plus 2 plus 3, can I do direct? No. And even now I don't have 5. That time we will move for the big formulas. So now here I will write, you all know how to do 1 direct, 2 direct, 3 direct and 4 direct. Now for small formula, 1 is equal to plus 5, 1 friend 4, second 2 friend 3. Here we are using complements of 5. If, see both together 5, if I close 4 finger, 4 friend 1. If I close 1, 1 friend 4. So 4, 1, 1, 4. If I close 3, 3 friend 2. 3, 2, 2, 3. 3, 2, 2, 3. 3 friend 2. When you can't do direct 3, you have to give 5 and remove 2. And 4 friend 1. So just focus, 5 everywhere is fixed. So sometimes it may commonly called as plus 5 formula. What commonly it is called as? Plus 5 formula. Because everywhere plus 5, plus 5, plus 5 is there. So plus 5 formula is used for plus 1, plus 2, plus 3 and plus 4. So these formula you have to note down, children. Now, and now same I will write for big formula. Big formula means big friends. Complements of 10. If I close 1, 1, 9 left. If I close 9, 1 left. So 9 friend 1, 1 friend 9. 9 friend 1, 1 friend 9. 8 friend 2, 2 friend 8. 8 friend 2, 2 friend 8. 7 friend 3, 3 friend 7. 6 friend 4, 4 friend 6. 5 friend 5, 5 friend 5. In that we will very easily give some clues. 6 and 4 are cricket famous two shots. So 6 friend 4, 4 friend 6. 5 friend 5, boxing, 5 has no friend, 5 itself, so 5 5, these two 1 only. So daily you need to practice small formula and big formula. For time being I will take out this abacus and show. See, 9 1 1 9, 9 1 1 9, 8 2 2 8. You have to practice 1 minute. I just time being like 7 3 3 7, 6 4 4 6 and 5 5 5 5. Daily you have to say this and write. Daily, thrice in a day you have to say and write. Children, you will be, how much you are thorough with the friends, that much you will quickly perform the sums. So say like this: 9 1 1 9, 8 2 2 8, 7 3 3 7, 6 4 4 6, 5 5 5 5, 9 1 1 9, 8 2 2 8, 7 3 3 7, 6 4. 1 minute. So as fast as you can write in 1 minute. 6 4 4 6 5 5 5 5. Like this way, as many times you can write, you have to see in 1 minute. So this way you can thorough with the big formulas. Now again we'll come back with the whole previously what we are learning. 1 2 3 4, the whole plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 and plus 4. Direct. Plus 5 formula, as I said, even you can say small formulas. Plus 1 is equal to plus 5 minus 4, plus 2 is equal to plus 5 minus 3. Small friend is very easy. 4 1 1 4, 3 2 2 3, finish. And 4 friend 1. So you can't do 1 means remove 4, 2 means remove 3, 3 means remove 2 and 4 means remove 1. Now when you can't have a 5, when you don't have 5 to give, you have to follow big formula. Big formula is also called as plus 10 because everywhere you are giving plus 10. Plus 1 is equal to minus 9 plus 10. See, minus 9 plus 10 plus 2 is equal to minus 8 plus 10 plus 3 is equal to minus 7 plus 10 plus 4 is equal to minus 6 plus 10. So small, big. Over. You are perfect with 1, 2, 3, 4 plus. So this first note down these formula. And daily thrice you have to write the formulas, say and write the formula. Now and you have to start performing sums and daily basic exercise of 1 2 3 4. Now we will solve some plus 3 questions. Plus 3 means what? Direct. 3 friend 2. So plus 5 minus 2 and minus 7 plus 10. This is big formula and this is small formula. So over, we are perfect with plus 3. Suppose 3 direct, 3 with small, 3 direct, 3 big means minus 7 plus 10. Now you just look at this rod. Can you go 3 direct? No. If 5 available, follow plus 5 minus 2. Plus 5 minus 2. Now 3 direct. Every time you have to look how 3 can be done. Now here 3, as 3 bits available, you just lock. Always have a look into this rod. Don't see, this part is when you are going to start division and all, that time you will. And this is tens, hundreds. So we have to perform as 3 means ones place. So here every time you have to keep watch. 3 direct. Now 3 no direct, no small. So obviously we will have to follow big formula. Minus 7 plus 10. 3 direct, 3 with small, 3 with big, 3 direct, 3 small, 3 direct, 3 with big. With big means minus 7 plus 10 and small means plus 5 minus 2. Isn't it very easy and very interesting, student? So same way you can perform for plus 4 and plus 2 plus 1. So plus 2 means what? Direct. 2 friend 3. So plus 5 minus 3. In plus 5 formula minus 3 and in big formula 2's big friend minus 8 plus 10. So whenever in any sums if you are having plus 2, you have to look into 3 ways. Now for one example I'll give, suppose 37 minus 5 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Suppose student now again 7 plus 2 anything. Now here I am just focusing on plus 2. 37 minus 5. Now here plus 2 direct, then next plus 2 with small, next plus 2 direct. Now next 1 minute. I'll show you once again, and I'll keep a tick mark so that you will understand. 37 over minus 5 over plus 2 over direct. This plus 2 goes direct. Now next plus 2 no direct. So with small plus 5 minus 2. Now next plus 2 direct. Now plus 7. Sorry, here student I have to show you minus 7. Minus 7. Later part you can do that. Now plus 2 direct and next plus 2 with small. So answer is 35. Yes student. Now next. Same way. So plus 2 you understood. Plus 2 direct. Small plus 2 small means plus 5 minus 3. See, at a time both the fingers should work. Plus 2. Now plus 2 minus 8 plus 10. Plus 2 direct, plus 2 direct, plus with small, plus direct, plus with big means minus 8 plus 10. This way plus 2 exercise. Same way you follow for plus 4 and plus 1 student. Now I will give some, I will share the sheets on WhatsApp group. You have to practice this way. Now in next session we'll cover 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay.